Karibu sana wanchu muri yangu manyasi njira yoboikirano. Maiga yiriberera kohenekibwa kubatkana no comment kana kwirigori RIAMAGUTA nigo litko ria rero ababunge batwara egeikaro ase gokwanera omochando yo. Egati yabo nigo barokana kugikeria serikali kubatkana no comment kana kwirigori RIAMAGUTA nabo igokorwa birengere byabo na kiribwenete kwireni gwensi kulinda sensemende nigo baba kwamereria ase okorusi wa chibango asensemo ya mabuta asabene kibune serikali tubatikigancha kende kirabe gikorusia ama yosechibesa asoko ene kibuna ligori RIAMAGUTA liabereri ko irananse.
Kind of largesse we see in government. This is now the time to cut the flesh. It is the time to cut the fat. That the big offices that are currently enjoying huge budgets, Honorable Speaker, political budgets, it is now time, Honorable Speaker, we scale down on those expenditures for the sake of Kenyans, because we may tell Kenyans to tighten the belts, but Kenyans have no more belts to tighten, Honorable Speaker.
The global average for premium has been $60 per ton, meaning Kenya is paying over $50 more per ton. The regional average has been about $80 per ton, but ours has been fixed at 110. That is where the theft is. That is where Kenyans are being squeezed and are being conned on oil prices.
You are telling me to remove fuel levy by 7 shillings, VAT by 8 shillings, by 8%. Madam, you are not telling me where I'm going to raise that revenue from. You are just saying there is largesse in government. No, as a good economist, the way you are trying to portray yourself, you should tell me, remove these taxes, and this is where you will raise the revenue from.
Almost 80 to 90% of the oil fields in Saudi take their crude oil through the Strait of Hormuz. Number two, be honest. Tell the Kenyan people it is true, cost per barrel in 2022 was lower, but what is affecting us as a country is that we do not have an oil refinery.
Let's retreat to our constituents or constituencies and try to do the best we can, including urging the government to give food subsidy to the people. Because right now the production is up, the food prices are up, because they are all based on this kind of energy that we have for their productions.